I'm Florent Merle. I'm working for the French Biodiversity Agency. I'm a civil servant from the Ministry for an Ecological Transition, and I'm currently work on international and European relations regarding international convention as Ramsar Convention. At the Mediterranean level, we are trying OFB, French Biodiversity Agency, to work closely with MedWet to implement the World Wetland Day with all stakeholders around the Mediterranean region, and we provide some grants to support them for this very important date. And also we wanted to develop a coalition with MedWet of different European regional Ramsar initiative and countries to increase how the awareness of wetlands with the European Commission. My expectation before coming here was high, because I would like to know more about the situation in the Mediterranean region for wetland. I would like to know more about stakeholders. I would like to have more knowledge with the contact of the practitioners here, managers of wetlands, and also to think in this group on how to cope with the big issue we are facing currently, climate change and loss of biodiversity, and how to enhance collaboration together to be useful for wetlands in Mediterranean region. I've been very interesting about the presentation that MedWet had done yesterday regarding the exchange of knowledge between practitioners, and I think we should open it to a non-Ramsar site to be able to have a better coordination between a manager from all kind of different protected areas reserve tool to improve collaboration out of the box of only Ramsar.